Hey, what's up, Pancakeswap holders? So this is live price prediction of Pancakeswap, my friend, and absolutely a lot of currencies will get a very good profit in this time. So Pancakeswap is also one of them, my friend. Otherwise, my friends, there this time a lot of coins were also very badly falls down. Cardano, XRP, and no, sorry, XRP will get a profit, but Cardano, my friends, VeChain, Theta Network holder, Theta Network is also in the profit. But some more coin, my friends, this time or very badly falls down. So therefore I will notify you to you are also very lucky to Pancakeswap will get a profit now. So my brother, in those days a lot of coins will get a very good profit and a lot of coins will falls down. So therefore I will notify you to if you want to earn money now, just and only research personally and after that invest now in very good coin. I will suggest you, my friends, to in those days if you are hold, if you are invest, so I think it's very good now, because my brother at the end of month you will need, my friends, to sell it because coins were very badly falls down. So if you are buying, so I think you are in the mistake. So don't, my friends, do this mistake and just and only get a profit. I just want to get a profit, my brother. In those days a lot of coins, as you can see here, like Pancakeswap is moving upward. And as you can see, my friends, the Pancakeswap is one of the fastest cryptocurrency. Everybody know this, plus 5.85% they will profit. So my prediction, just in only, my friend, I already predicted this coin, my friend. But what expert says, absolutely after that I will, my friends, prove my prediction too. I think my prediction is going to be right. So I am 100% sure to my prediction is going to be right, because after my friends research, absolutely I am better understand. So this time, my friends, as you can see, my friend, Pancakeswap is moving in this circulation to after a jump they were fails, and after a fails they will take a very huge jump. That is the continuously process, my friends. Absolutely every coin were moving in this circulation, and my friend, absolutely as you can see they were fails down very badly. So I am 100% sure to after this fail they will also take a very huge jump now. Thanks for watching holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.